guys, this is Trey with Squeegee Squad here in Tulsa. Today we're going to be talking about how job execution and planning affect cost whenever we're talking about window cleaning. What we really want to emphasize in this video is how much goes into a successful commercial window cleaning project and why you're paying up front for that kind of service. So the first thing that we really want to talk about is the amount of planning that has to go into a commercial job, specifically window cleaning. So whenever we have a new job come online, we're going to create what's called a work site job plan. Which is going to go over things like the scope, the order of doing the work, and how to actually do the work itself. Why is that important? It prevents things like delays. It also decreases the risk of things like damage to your property. And overall, it just makes the experience way better for our technicians and also for our customers. The next thing that we really have to talk about is pre-job preparation. So what I mean by that is whenever we get to the shop in the morning, we're looking at our list of jobs. We have to determine what equipment we need to take with us. We also have to do various safety inspections on gear, especially if we're doing things like high-rise work. So before we even get to your property, we're already prepared and ready to go. Why that affects price? If we have to bring a lot of extra equipment to a job, it's inherently going to cost more because not all of our equipment has an endless shelf life. And we have finite resources like soap, squeegee rubber, other things like that eventually are going to go bad. So that's why it's important to basically plan the day of the job to make sure that you're equipped right so that whenever you get there, it's smooth, efficient, you get your equipment out, you get the job done, you go home. So the next thing we really want to emphasize is on-site execution. So our operating model, Predictable Excellence, is built on the idea that we can effectively clean windows more efficiently than anybody else in the city. What does that look like in practice? It means the same processes every time. It means doing quality checks on the job site while you're there so that you don't have to do a callback later on. It also means that your safety procedures have to be perfect all the time, no questions asked. Why that's important, it reduces liability for everybody. If we can get to a job site, we know exactly what we're doing every single time and there's no deviation from that plan, it makes it go very quickly and smoothly for all of our customers, and you can trust and know that professionalism and safety are built into how we execute at the job site. So what do you want to take away from this video? A is that our pricing reflects all of the planning and the execution that goes into doing window cleaning at your property. What that means is no rushing and no shortcuts. We're going to do it the same way every single time. We're going to do it safely, and we're going to do it without disturbance to you and your tenants. More importantly than that, just know that if you're calling Squeegee Squad out to your building, our operating model is built to reduce headaches for you and make everybody's lives easier. So if you think that you need some window cleaning done at your property today, please visit our website or go to the description of this page here, and you can find the blog and our self-pricing tool to see if you might want to use us. Thanks. Hope you guys have a good day. If you enjoyed watching this video today, please go to the description on this video to find our self-pricing tool and the blog associated with this video. Visit our website also, www.squeegeesquadtulsa.com, or call us at 918-331-9905. Please make sure to also like and subscribe.